In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add gradient to text in Photopea. Let's begin. Once you've entered in your text within your image, you are going to head over to the right side. Then you're going to select the text layer by simply just clicking on it. Then go to the bottom and look for something which says EFF. Select it, then choose Gradient Overlay. Head over to the layer box and then look for something which says Gradient. Next to it, select this gradient option. In the middle, you are going to see something which has a square in each corner, and you can change the direction of the gradient by simply clicking on the squares. To change the color, select one of the squares, then go to the bottom and choose this option before position. And this is where it's going to allow you to choose another color. I'm going to use a light blue color, select OK. Then I'm going to change the one on the right. So this one is white, I'm going to select it. Then I'm going to make it a darker blue. Once you're happy, select OK. Then OK again. This is how you can add a gradient to text. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.